Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make hummus. So let's get started. The ingredients we need is 1 cup boiled chickpeas, half teaspoon cumin powder, 4 to 5 tablespoon olive oil, 9 to 10 garlics, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Now we will take sesame seeds and roast it. Now make a paste of the sesame seeds. Now we will do the next step, that is we will mix all the ingredients in the food processor. Now our paste is ready. Add some salt and serve it in a plate. Now do the same procedure that I am doing. Serve it with some olive oil, chili flakes and coriander. This recipe is very popular in Middle East. You can also serve it with falafal and pita bread. Hope you enjoyed my recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.